Hi, welcome to grade 5th CBSE all subject by Savita Fowdy. Kids, this 1 hour mathematics lecture, first 1 hour mathematics lecture today start. This 1 hour mathematics textbook CBSE board for class 5th. Yoga, timeless nature of education. Mathville, a complete graded course in mathematics, grade 5th. Kids, today we start first one chapter, place value. Kids, we on page number 9. Please open page number 9. First one chapter, place value. Kids, we start from let's recap. You can see here, textbook given here one question saying compare the number using greater than, less than or equal signs. You can see, kids, you can see first one we solve 2,38,734 and another one figure 1,38,734. Which one greater, which one? Yes, of course, 2 lakh means first one figure greater than 1,38,734. Okay. B1 also 7,32,010 is greater than, you can see here, 5,32,017 means this one figure bigger and this one smaller, so we use here greater than sign. Then C1 8,01,007, another one figure 8,01,070, 70, this one a bigger. Okay, so we use here less than. See, C number 8,01,007 is less than 8,01,070, or you can say this one number greater than, which one? 8,01,070. So we use here less than. Okay, means which is a open sign, that one a crocodile mouth. Okay, that one a bigger figure. Kids, you can see D1 4,18,963, another one figure 4,18,963, same figure, so we use here is equal to. Okay, 2 lines. Okay, is equal to this one sign. Then second one from let's recap. Now kids, we only learn one figure. Okay, and one sum. See, write the given numbers in ascending order and descending orders. Okay, ascending means 1 to 0 to 9. Okay, and descending means bigger to smaller. For example, 9 to 0, and ascending means smaller to bigger, 0 to 9. Okay, then you can easily form ascending and descending order. Now turn page. Next one, we on page number now 10. Third one question, form the greatest and the smallest number using each digit only once. They give here 3, 0, 1, 7, 2, 5. Okay, and you can write down greatest number. First you write down 7, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 0. Okay, and smallest number you can write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, this type. Okay, then next math quest, place value. We have learned about place value and periods in the Indian and international place value system. The face value of a digit remains the same irrespective of its place in the number. Kids, now we learn 7 digit numbers. Kids, first 0 to 9, which is the greatest number? 9. And which is the smallest number? 0 or 1. Okay. See. Now we form a 7-digit numbers. The greatest 6-digit numbers is 9. How many times we write down? 6 times. 9,99,999. That one a 6-digit greatest number. Okay. And when we add 1, you can see 9 plus 1, 0. When we solve this one figure, we got a 10 lakh. Okay. Means we got smallest 7-digit numbers here. Okay. Then next one figure. Next one our topic. Indian place value chart. Till it we learn ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Lakhs. See. This one a Indian place value chart. Ones, 1000 inside there, 10,000, 1000 and 100, and lakhs, 10 lakh and lakh. Okay. A new place called 10 lakhs is introduced. It falls in the lakhs period. TL, 10 lakh. Okay. Then kids, the international place value system has 3 places in every period. The Indian place value system has 3 places in the ones period only, and all the other periods have 2 places. Let's observe the international place value chart. You can see how many main periods? Ones, thousand and millions. Ones inside 100,000 ones, and inside 1,000, 100,000, 10,000. Okay. And millions, millions. Okay. A new place called the million, this one, M for millions, is introduced, and it falls in the millions period. Then now textbook saying write in words how a banker in India read the number. You can see here how many 0 on a 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means in a Indian how we read Indian currency? 5 lakh. But international bankers how read? A banker in India will read the number 5 lakhs. Okay. And write in words how a banker in US read the number 5 lakh. A banker in USA will read the number 5 lakh like 5,000, 500,000. How? In India read 5 lakh as a 5 lakhs, and international bankers read 500,000. Okay kids. Now when we add 1 to the greatest 7-digit numbers, we get the smallest 8-digit numbers. Greatest 7-digit number plus 1 means we got a smallest 8-digit numbers. You can see here. Okay. Next one, our topic, Indian place value chart. This one, Indian place value chart. Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay. In a ones period, 100, tens and ones. In a main 1000 period, we write down 10,000 and thousands. In a lakhs, 10 lakh and lakh. And in a crores, crore. Crore for C. Okay. A new place crores is introduced, and it falls in the crores period. Okay. International place value chart now we learn. In international place value chart, there is a main 3 periods. For example, ones, thousands, millions. In a ones, there is a sub 3 periods. Ones, tens, 100. And in a thousand, there is a 3 sub periods. For example, 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000. And in millions, there is a 2 sub periods. For example, 10 million and million. Okay. A new place 10 millions is introduced, and it falls in the millions period. I hope till it all of you understood. Now we learn next topic, new, reading and writing large numbers. How we read and write large numbers. Okay. Mark the periods with commas. Okay. We can easily reading after commas. According to the system, starting from the ones place, read the number from left to right. For example, from the highest period to the smallest. Let us compare the Indian and the international place value system by writing the number. This one number. We form Indian place value chart. How? You can see here 2, 4, 3, 5, 0, 1, 6, 8. How we form? See, 2 crores 43 lakhs 50,168. Okay, kids? And how we form? See, how we read? 2 crores, commas here. 43 lakh, after 43 commas here. Okay, mark comma. Then 50,000, you can after 50 commas, we mark here commas. 168 in a ones period, between 100 tens ones, we not given any commas. Okay, means this type we form this one figure inside Indian place value chart and mark commas. Okay, and in word, how we write down? TW2 CRORE 2 crore 43 lakh FORTY, one small dash, THREE 3 LAKH lakh. Okay, then commas, then 50,000. How we take a small break? There we mark commas. 50,000 FIFTY 50 THOUSAND 1,168. Kids, I hope till it all of you understood. The next one we learn international place value chart. You can see here this one table, very important. Main 3 periods in international place value. For example, ones, thousands and millions. Once there is, we as usual we know 100 tens ones, and in a thousand 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000, and in a millions 10 million and million. Okay, this one same figure we form here 24 million. You can see here inside TM we write on 2, in M means million, 4 means 24 million 300. You can see here HTH 300 50,000 50,000 350,000 main period thousands 350,000. Then we mark one commas. You can see here commas, and as usual 168. Okay, we read and form this type and mark 24 after commas 24 million. Okay, so we commas here, mark here commas, then 350 we commas here, mark here commas, then 168. Kids, I hope all of you understood how to form a commas and how to fill Indian any figure, Indian place value chart, and any figure in international place value chart. You can fill them. Then next one, our exercise time, exercise station 1.1 from first one chapter. Okay, then only one we solve. Okay, here because of time limit. See, first one, complete both the place value charts and write the number in it. Separate the periods and colors the periods by inserting commas according to the system of numeration. The first one has been done for you. One textbook showing. Okay, see this one. This one A1 83,74,986, and textbook saying fill in a Indian place value system. Okay, then 83. So then we form commas. Okay, 74,000. 83 lakh we commas form here commas. 74,000 we form commas here, and 986. Okay, then this one first you make, okay, this type in a place value system table. For example, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Okay, and then you can easily fill whole figure. Okay, then this one figure, how we form an international place value chart. See, you can see 8 million. After 8 we form commas, then 374 because this one a second one periods, so we form after 374 commas, then we read 986. Okay, and form this time. Then you can fill easily all sums. Okay, I show you C1, this one, C in a Indian place value and a international place value. Okay, C. This one 3 crore. See, we write down 3 in a crore here. Okay, and we form commas after 3. 3 crore 24 lakh, 2 in a TL, and L we write down 4 in a lakhs tables. Okay, then how we read this one in a Indian place value? 3 crore 24 lakh 95,000. After 95 we form commas, and 838. Okay, and then international place value system, same figure we form and mark commas. See, 32 million 495. After 32 we form commas, and then 400. This one figure we want to form here, 495,000. So 495 after we form commas, and then as usual 838 we form in a 100, tens and ones. Okay, it's a very easy peasy. Then next one question. Observe the periods and write the numbers name according to the place value system uses. Okay, you can see here this one figure, all sums you can see, textbook showing with marks. Okay, see, again we read this one. Observe the periods and write the numbers name according to the place value system. Means which one periods, that one. Okay, next question second. Observe the periods and write the number name according to the place value system. Okay, they saying write down number name, means all figures you write down in a word or a comma, spell that one. Okay, see, first one 6 million. Okay, after 6 there is a comma, so we write down 6 million. Then this one 517, means 3 numbers you can see here, means this one international figure. Okay, means 6,517,982. and how I read that type we form here spelling, means write down in a wording. Okay, this type. Then last one I show you, this one 99,622,735. this one also international figure. Okay, then see this one even 21 lakh, this one Indian. Okay, 21 lakh 94,000. 376 means this one figure showing Indian place value. Okay, observing marking commas. Okay, and how we read that type you form your figure in a word or a form in a spelling. Okay kids, now next topic, map quest place value. Okay, the place value of a digit is the value of the digit according to its place in the number. For example, ones, 10, you can see ones, tens, 100, 1000. For ones, 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, you can, that type, and 10,000 means 1,000, 10,000. Okay, this one you can see star here, means 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. Then 10 multiplied by 10, 100. Then 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, 1000. Okay, Indian place value system, you can see here. Let us take the number, one number here, textbook taken. Okay, we shall find the place and the face value to the digit 7. First one, 7 digit, textbook saying we found face value and place value. All of you know face like same as. Okay, place value always change, but remember face value same. Okay, first we write the given number in the place value chart, in Indian place value chart. See, let's come, we read this one figure, 7 crore 24 lakh, means after 7 we mark there comma, 24 lakh, after 24 we mark comma, 24 lakh 3,000, after 3 1 comma we mark 958. This type we read. Okay, you can see here textbook form of one tables, ones, thousand, lakhs and crore. In a ones, 100, tens and ones. In a thousands, 10,000, 1,000. Okay, and in a lakh, 10 lakh and lakh. And in a crore, crores, 7 crore you can see here. Crore for we write down C, capital C, lakhs, inside their sub periods 10 lakh. For 10 lakh we write down TL, and for a lakh we write down L, capital L. Inside thousands, our sub periods short form TTH means 10,000, and TH all letters capitals. TH means a 10, 100. Okay, and for a H, capital H means 100, and capital T means a tens. Okay, and O means a ones. Okay, face value of a digit 7 will be 7 itself, not a change. Okay, place value of a digit 7 will be 7 crore. We read this one 7 crore. So place value 7 crore, 7 CRORES, or in a number this type we form. On a 7, how many zeros we write down? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On a 7, we write down 7 zeros, 7 crore. Okay, and 7, how we read? 7 crore, but 7's face value itself means only 7. Okay, then let's come, we start exercise station 1.2. Okay, each and every question from we solve only one. Okay, one number, write the face value and the place value of the digit 4 according to the Indian place value system. Each 4 digit textbook want to place value and face value. Kids, always remember, always face value that one number itself means the same number. If there is a 4, always 4 face value, but place value always change. First one, see, 70 lakh 54,000, 54,000. We read here 4,000 means this one 4, place value 4,000, and 4 number face value itself means the same. You can see this type you write down face value 4 and you make here one oblique slash, and this one 4 digit. How we read? 4000. So write down here 4 and 000. Okay, 4000. Okay, this type all you can solve. Last one we solve here 4. Last one K1. How we form? See, first let's come, we read this one figure 5,47,000. This one 4 face value itself means the same, means a 4. Okay, then 47,000 we read. How we read? 47,000 means a 40,000. This one place value, so 40,000 in number we write down here. Second one, see, write the face value and the place value of the digit 2, only digit different, and this one are international all figures. Okay, write the face value and the place value of the digit 2 according to the international place value system. Let's come. First one figure A1 we read, then we form a place value and face value. Okay, 472,000. This one figure 2 we read 2,000 means a place value 2,000 and face value as it is means a 2. Okay, then see last one J1 we read. Now J1 international figure we read first, then we decide place value and place value. This one circled 2 number. See J1 number sum 90,711,200. We read here this one 200. So this one place value 257. Okay, and face value itself 2. Okay kids, now next one Mathville expanded form. Okay, next this one sum figure we read first. See 3,63,72,928. Okay, 3 crore. How we read? That type we remark there plus. Okay, add there. For example, we read here 3 crore. On a crore, how many zeros we write down? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, on a 3 we write down 7 zeros, means a 3 crore. Okay, then plus means where inside any figure we form a commas, there we form plus, means we add that one number. For example, see 3 crore, then we write down plus, then 63,000, 60 and 3,000. So we write down first 60,000 plus 3,000. Okay, then we read 72,000, means first we read 70,000, so plus 70,000, then 2,000 plus 2,000. Then next we read this one number 900, so we write down plus 900. 20, so we form here plus 2, 0, 20. Then we read 928, so 8 as usual in a ones place, so we write down 8 as this type. Means how we expand from any number, how we read or how we form a marks, commas, means that system called a, that process called a expanded form. Okay, between we write down plus plus. Then kids, now next topic our successor and predecessor. Kids, all of you know before number and after number, that one called a successor and a predecessor. The successor of a given number is 1 more than the given number, means add. Let us find the successor of a kids. You can see here is our number 3 crore 45 lakh 38,789 is predecessor which number 3 crore 45 lakh 38,790 means when we plus 1 or more 1, that one number where there we got a successor number, means after number, okay, and predecessor means a before number, okay, when we minus 1 from that one figure, okay. The predecessor of a number is 1 less than the given number. Let us find out the predecessor of the same number, okay. Our main figure 3 crore 45 lakh 38,789. When we minus 1, you can see here 1, 9 minus 1, 8, means we got our predecessor number 3 crore 45 lakh 38,788. Yes kids, it's very easy peasy. Minus 1, that one a predecessor, and when we add 1 plus 1 we got a successor number, okay. Then next one topic, comparing numbers. Let's recall the rules for comparison of a number. First one rule, the number with more digit is the greatest number. If both the numbers have equal number of digit, then the number that has greater digit in the largest place is the greatest number. Kids, till it we learn greater than, less than, equal, okay, means a comparing numbers where we use a greater than, less than, equal, is equal to, okay, where is the same numbers both, there we use a equal sign, okay. For example, one example textbook showing here. We write the given number in the place value chart 3. See, 3 crore 24 lakh 79,732. This one figure, and another one figure 3 crore 24 lakh 79,682. You can see here 100 in 100 there is a difference. Above first one figure there is a 700, and another second one figure there is a 600. Which is a greater, which is a less, which is a smaller, and which is a bigger number? 7 is a bigger number and 6 is a smaller number. Means this one 7 is greater than 6. So this one first one figure greater than second one figure, okay. Both the number have 8 digits, okay. Crore same, lakh same, 10 lakh same, lakh same, TTH same, 10,000 same, but inside 100 there is a difference, okay. Tens also same, ones also same. Then this one 7 greater than 6, means looking at the numbers from left to right, we find that the first 5 digits are the same, okay. The digit at the 100 place is a different. We compare the digit at the 100th place in both the numbers. 7 is greater than 6. So 700 is greater than 600. So 3 crore 24 lakh 79,732 is greater than, this one sign use, greater than sign, 3 crore 24 lakh 79,682. This type you solve easily and compare any numbers, any two numbers, okay. Now ascending and descending orders. All of you know ascending means 1 to 9 and descending means 9 to 1. Means ascending means smallest to greatest, and descending means smallest to descending means greatest to smallest, opposite. Okay. Then next one, formation of numbers. Okay. And there is a exercise station 1.3. Kids, I hope our video being lengthy, so we now stop here, and in next second mathematics lecture we complete our first one chapter from formation of numbers, and inside there we solve again exercise station 1.3 and more. Thank you, kids.